everyone and welcome back to a new smiley video on my channel. Today, me and my friend Charlie is gonna figure out a sound that, I'm gonna listen closely. I'm gonna explain what Charlie and me has heard in the couple of days. Like, we have heard some strange sound like every day, and today me and Charlie is gonna figure out what the sound is. And this is my first video on the channel in reality. So this is me, hello, and this is my friend Charlie.
Hello.
So let's begin. Charlie, we must figure out what this sound is. We have no clue what the sound is. The sound is like, it's hard to explain. And maybe in this video you guys can hear the sound. So okay, Charlie, we must figure out. Come on, Charlie. We're in my garden right now, in my house. So the sound. Wait, Charlie. I think I know a clue. Every time we have heard that sound, we have been on the front of the garden. Like, here. So, yeah, it's here with the door that I think the sound is probably here or something. But, Charlie, we need to figure out what the sound is or what. Charlie, do you hear the sound?
Yeah, what is that?
It's
It's coming from there.
Yeah, it's coming from there. But okay, now the sound stopped. But what? No, nothing is here. Okay, Charlie, come on. We need. Okay, so we heard the sound from there, but nothing was there. So, this is very mysterious. Wait, Charlie, I have an idea. Okay, Charlie, I have an idea that we have, like, I think maybe a clue is somewhere here. But, okay, Charlie, we need to figure out what the sound is. Charlie? What? Where's Charlie? Charlie was here. Whoa. He was like here for 10 seconds ago. Why isn't Charlie here? This is very mysterious. Maybe. Wait. We heard the sound from there. But maybe the monster, or maybe it's a monster that's making the sound. And the monster took Charlie! Oh no. This is very not good. We have to go there and find our friend Charlie. My friend Charlie. Okay, guys, we're running to the backyard, so maybe Charlie's there. I don't know. The monster like, Charlie, why aren't you here? You what?
We were here all the time. You just disappeared.
What? No, we were there, but we were not here. Yeah, we were there, but okay, this is mysterious. But Charlie, okay, but Charlie, we still have to figure out what the sound is. I think it's like a monster or something. Maybe. Yeah, this is very, very mysterious. And Charlie! Look! It's a stick. This stick is like good to murder people. or something. I don't remember that I haven't have this in my garden. Maybe the monster have killed someone. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking the same as you. We should be more careful around here.
Yeah. And what's that? Look at this. It's like blue. Whoa, what
It's
is
like
this?
goo.
Yeah.
Slime.
This is so nasty. Maybe I think that's also the monsters stuff. So I don't know.
Wait, maybe that's the monster's blood. Maybe someone used that stick to like pierce a hole through the monster.
Yeah, maybe someone was trying to fight the monster, and the monster has blue blood. Maybe that would make kinda sense. Maybe. But okay, Charlie, we have another clue, but I really need, Charlie, we need to find the monster, and yeah, maybe, wait, what? Why is this? This is destroyed. Why is this destroyed here? It wasn't destroyed there. The monster, Charlie. The monster destroyed my garden. Oh my days. Okay. Don't be so angry now, Melvin. Charlie, I think that Charlie, wait. I have an wait. I have an idea. All that the clue we have gotten, the sound was from there. The stick that someone was trying to kill the monster, and the monster has the monster's blood in like that, and he had destroyed Charlie. I think that when someone was trying to kill the monster or something, he was like super angry, and maybe they fighted. Maybe they fighted here for hundreds of years ago. But why is it destroyed now? I have lived in this house like for 6 years, and that has never been destroyed. Okay, Charlie, do you know what I think? I think we should just say bye guys, see you in the next smile video, and we're gonna try to figure out the monster in like another episode or something. So bye.